Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily fix touchscreen not responding on Honor 200 Smart. So first, what you guys can try is restart the device. Sometimes a simple restart can fix those software glitches that might cause the touchscreen to become unresponsive. So, how to force restart the phone? Basically hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Keep on holding for about 10 to 15 seconds. And as you guys can see, now the phone is restarting. So all we have to do is just wait, and in the meantime you guys can try and remove any case or screen protector, because if you have a bulky phone case or a fixed screen protector, it might be interfering with the touchscreen sensitivity. So try to remove them and see if the touchscreen becomes more responsive, and if not, then the next fix I'll show you guys after my phone restarts. So now what you guys can try and do is go over to the settings and check for software updates. Sometimes touchscreen issues may be caused by software bugs, so it's worth checking out if you have the latest version of your software. So scroll a bit down, now go to System and Updates, here click Software Update, and now it'll check automatically if you have the latest version of the software. As you guys can see, I'll double check it for you, and my software is up to date. I have no updates, but if you do, then I recommend you updating it because older versions might have some touchscreen issues. Now, if this didn't work, then what you guys can try is perform a reset. So it's a factory reset, it's as a last resort. So I recommend you guys backing up all your data first. Don't leave the system and updates. Go to backup and restore, and here go to data backup, and here you'll be able to back up your phone after giving certain permissions to the backup app. So now go over to the reset after you did your backup and click to reset the phone. Now click reset phone, now Droid pattern, and now click reset phone. It's of course as a last resort, and if it's still not working, then what you guys can try is check for hardware issues. So you guys can try the loose connections or broken digitizer. So in that case, I don't recommend you doing it on your own. I recommend you visiting some customer support or a service center to get a more professional diagnosis about it. And yeah, that's it. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.